So this is the thing that Jisha and them are promoting. This is BitNest. So me and a few people did a bit of digging into. I went into the page. I didn't check out the white page, but I saw their layout, their path, and I saw that they put in over 60% into stakers. This is a company that solely promotes in staking, and that's just the fancy word that they're using is crypto lending. So as you buy into this token, they're gonna teach you how to buy tokens. That's why you've been seeing Yasmin post up cold wallets, and her friend is posting up random people sending money to that wallet and saying that it's her income. Anyways, where was I at? So we looked into that company, and all they talk about is just staking for dividends. So crypto lending to get dividend for the rest of your life, and that's solely what they do. This company doesn't have any other utilities. They don't reinvest their money. There's nothing on what they're creating. There's no roadmap to what the goal is. It's just to keep staking. So they'll be able to pay more people as more people come in. And then my buddy, she knows who she is. Thank you. She's a really successful investor. Dug into their Telegram. Telegram is usually a place where people who launch tokens is using it. This was very popular 3 years ago. This still is now. So this is BitNet posting on their Telegram to update their customers, clients, and everything. That Hmong guy was not lying. He was not receiving his fund. And as you can see here, it says assets are being returned gradually in small amounts and batches. So this leads me to think, you guys remember FTX, one of the biggest celebrity influence crypto exchange. They were running the same gig. They were having people put in money to get massive return. If you put a Bitcoin in, you get over 500% return. But as more people invested in, the pie got smaller. It's almost kind of like what happened in the Great Depression when the banks overprinted out all these stocks and people wanted to cash in and there was no liquidity. So this is what BitNest is experiencing, low liquidity. A few of the guys are not receiving their money. Things are freezing up. So for so much money to go into a program for their main source of informations for their user is freezing up, that should be a red flag. And for money to slowly be returned, that's a red flag. There should be enough liquidity locked in to provide for people to cash out that are staking their tokens or crypto lending their tokens, So they get all these people in, they promise them 28%, let's say. Just was saying you get 38% every month and you cash out whenever the hell you want. Anyways, oh, sorry, I spazzed out. I have Tourette's. But yeah, so you can see this is another replay of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried. That was the biggest case in America and throughout crypto history. And as you can see, there's monkey see, monkey do. Hmong scammers will follow. They'll pick their leaders and follow. They're going to follow Sam Bankman's footsteps. Anyone who does pretty big, there's always followers and success. And that's what you're seeing now. The Hmong scammers are scamming, but there's people behind just shit in them too. So you got to think about that. But you see how he's so offended with Yasumi is because they were sharing the same courses. Same project, same course, same issues, same everything. You can see Yasumi slowly took a step away from it. So anytime when you ask for crypto lending, she directs you to an account that just constantly shows a cold wallet. A cold wallet is where you store your crypto outside of an exchange. That's also where people can cash out because they could then change their BitNet into Ethereum or stable coins, put it to a cold wallet, bring it to a legitimate exchange and cash out there, which will be provided by the government protected banks and everything. And that's how they're doing it. So they're using you guys to on-ramp and provide them liquidity as they withdraw. And the reason why you guys are not getting the money or the support and technology support is because they're not paying those people. Have fun. We try to warn you guys. Coconut. Yeah, coconut, huh? In the mud, coconut up to the coconut pot. Bucket coconut. Okay. No. Have a good day.